Morning, you guys. I am Northwind Creations, and today I'm going to show you guys how to turn this F-150 into an overlanding vehicle. And first, we're going to start off with turning that toolbox right there. We're going to turn that. We're going to turn that into a solar generator with a built-in diesel heater to keep you warm and cozy on those cold nights when you're camping in your rooftop tent. So I'm going to get this set up. I started off with putting a solar controller on this here board and a power inverter. And so how we do it is this kind of tells you right here. These wires here go to the solar panel. These wires here go to the battery. And these wires here are going to run our diesel heater. So we got USBs right there. We got outlets right there. It's a 1,000-watt inverter, and there's also a 12-volt outlet right there. Pick this stuff off of YouTube, you know. I've already installed these wires, and I'm going to stick it in there, so hang on. Get a lot of this stuff on YouTube, or at Walmart. I got these deep cycle batteries at Walmart, and we're going to be sticking 2 of them in there. So one on this side and one on that side. Grab the other one. Give you guys a close-up view here. Alright, so that's what I got going on. Got one battery over there. Got another one over there. I'm going to start off, you guys, by I got another set of wires here that are long enough to connect these 2 batteries together. Give me 1 second. Find my wrench. Alright, you guys, so with these nuts, I'm going to take these nuts off. What the hell is this doing? So, I'm going to run this underneath this board. positive. And that's going to go into that positive. here. Finger tied it for now. So you guys make sure to always connect your red wire to the positive terminal on your battery, because otherwise you're going to have a fireworks show. And you know, it might be handy for a practical joke, but one way to get somebody's heart started, I suppose. So anyhow, I'm going to leave these ones off here, because on this side we're going to have to hook up all the other good stuff here. So this positive that goes to the inverter. Okay, I'm going to hook up to this battery that's on the left side. You guys could choose whatever side you want to. Negative. Connect over here on this side. Not on there so it won't fall off. Alright. Now, I gotta find my little screwdriver. Because up here I've got a red wire cut. It's going to go to this battery over here. Okay. And it goes on the positive terminal, the red wire. Okay. Now, the red wire is also going to go on the solar charger in the middle where it says battery. So it's going to go on positive one. So unscrew that enough to get that in there. Stick it in. Screw it down. Nice and tight. Got another wire here for the negative side. So it's pretty simple. If you get the guys, if you get the solar charger, it's pretty much self-explanatory on the controller itself. On there, I'm not tightening it down yet because I still got to put more stuff on there. Stuff those wires under the board because you know, you never know. And so this one I'm going to stick on the negative side. Now. Alright you guys, so once you hook up your batteries to the solar charger, see what happens? Let's see if I can zoom in there. Anyhow guys, so once you get the power hooked up to the solar charger here, the power turns on and you can see it's registering 13.2 volts. So, something I didn't tell you guys, I did some modifications to this toolbox. I've already pre-drilled this for the vent, for the diesel heater that we're going to install later. And I've already pre-drilled this one over here for my solar panel wires. So, the solar panel wires are going to go into the solar controller. I'll do that right now. So, and I got the solar panels off of Amazon. And the funny thing is that when they gave me the solar panels, this red and black were reversed on the other side. So like when I'm trying to hook it up first time and I tried to plug it in there, it didn't want to work and I couldn't figure it out, so I had to like You reverse the polarity to make things work. And so, I don't know where this thing came from, but I figured it out. So the cool thing about having this dual battery setup here, guys, is that you know, you can power a diesel heater overnight. You can have a refrigerator, freezer installed. You can power your lights. You can charge your laptops, camera gear, you know, anything that you want. It's pretty self-sufficient and mobile. Take it anywhere. You know, your only limitation is the size of your inverter, pretty much. So, I mean, I do have a 2,000 watt inverter that I could use for powering up, you know, generators and other stuff if you want. You know, you can do that with it. You can put as many batteries on there as you want. You know, it all depends on, you know, your preferences. You know, what you want to power. You know, if you're just going to use this for camping, overlanding, or if you're going to use it for work situations, you know, you could do anything you want. Get into the right spot. Get in there. Alright, so we got those hooked up, and these over here. Turn these. Oh my goodness. So I know you guys like getting ready for camping. It's early spring. It's the beautiful Pacific Northwest right now. It is a nice, beautiful, cloudy day, and you know, everybody wants to get ready for summer. So this is a pretty cool setup. Be right back. You guys, we're getting this set up for some camping, overlanding videos. We're gonna do some fishing. We're gonna do crawfish. We're gonna do some cool stuff. We're gonna do some, you know, I've got a float tube. We're gonna do some flies with a spin rod. So here's our diesel heater. I picked this up off of Amazon. I've already pre-drilled a hole in the bottom down there for the exhaust. And so I'm gonna check that out. See how well that fits down there? That's perfect. Alright, you guys, so that's pretty much it with this solar setup. So again, we're going to do the quick rundown. You need to get the solar controller. You need to get an inverter. You need to get a battery. You need to have solar panels. The solar controller has the connectors on there that says where to connect to the solar panels. It shows you where to connect to the battery. And there's also a connection there for auxiliary power, like your diesel heater. And so that's pretty much it. This is good to go, guys. Anything else you need to power or run, you know, you can either connect it to a battery with a fuse, or, you know, if it's not any charging over here, you know, you can connect to there what I plan on doing is I plan on cutting another hole over here so that I can run a actually underneath so water doesn't go in, but I'm gonna cut a hole in there and run an extension cord with a number of outlets on there, and I'm gonna plug it in there. So next video, guys, I'm gonna show you how to install an Iceco VL75 Pro, a dual zone fridge freezer, and I've had it for a year, and I'm going to show you guys the review on that. And I'm not paid to do any of these videos, you guys. I just like to, you know, I love camping, I love buying this stuff, and you know, I love spending time with my kids. And so you know, kind of a little introduction about me. You know, my name's Ethan. I've got kids, 2 kids that are 7 and 8, and I only get to do this so many summers before they grow up. I was a carpenter, and you know, they just haven't treated me that well, and so I'm becoming a digital creator, and I appreciate you guys to like and subscribe my videos. You know, it would really help out, support my kids and my family, and to, you know, for once be able to pursue doing what I love. And I want to bring you guys fishing videos and camping videos, and I'm going to show you some exciting underwater footage with some crawfish and, you know, some beautiful cutthroat trout like you've never seen. So yeah, next video, like I said, is the Iceco fridge freezer. See you soon.